Euro yen. I've already outlined this, so I don't need to go over it. That's what we are looking for, right? So I'm gonna leave that there. This looks very promising. I like the move away from the level. Okay, and they've already taken some stops here, so this is very decent trade for continuation to the upside. All right, so I'm gonna leave that one there. They've also broken up. Yeah, so it's very decent. Look at this down candle, the high or the opening price. That can also be an area where price will hit and then reject and then start going higher. So if you do get here and you see a rejection, okay, and we break up, then you can buy as well. Based on the forward, that level looks, the level down here looks looks interesting. But if you happen to have price hit this and it starts accumulating, or you see a breaking structure, then you can by all means do this. I do have this level down here just in case they want to run all the way down. Then that is what you do. All right.